The meeting starts blank 3 o'clock. The answer is at. Use at with exact times. At 3 o'clock, at noon, at midnight. I was born blank 1995. The answer is in. Use in with years, months, and long periods. In 1995, in January. We have a holiday blank Christmas Day. The answer is on. Use on with specific days and dates. On Christmas Day, on Monday. She usually wakes up blank sunrise. The answer is at. Use at with dawn, sunrise, sunset, noon, midnight, night. The flowers bloom blank spring. The answer is in. Use in with seasons. In spring, in summer, in autumn, in winter. I'll call you blank the evening. The answer is in. Use in with parts of the day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. The train leaves blank 10 minutes. The answer is in. Use in to express after a duration. In 10 minutes, in 2 hours. We arrived blank time for the show. The answer is on. On time equals punctually. In time equals not late, with time to spare.